Okay, welcome everyone. I see you got all our painted surfaces done. This first observation is the metallic paints dried much more completely and smoothly than the non-metallic ones. It still feels a little, it may just be the gloss finish or something on the black and the red, but they just feel still a little bit, they're not sticky, but they feel not smooth like these do. You know, I don't think that really matters. You know, it's probably a combination of the paint and the material and all that stuff. Secondly, the instructions, although very simple, the key to the which part is which is on the back of the instructions that you're supposed to be using to build the thing. So that's what I would consider a poor design choice. But they didn't ask me. Thirdly, there is a little bit of glue that has to be used in a few steps here, so this might be a little bit longer video than I was intending to initially. But with all that out of the way, now we can start. So I need E1 and two A2s, so gotta figure out where those are. Okay, so E1 is this one. Okay. And A2s, E, D, okay. A is, no, this one I think. Get it oriented the same way. No, I had it right there. Okay, yeah. So these two. And I say, even with the minor extra steps that it looks like I'm going to be taking, I still don't foresee this being a long video. But supposedly, I'm supposed to glue all these three together. So, got my handy dandy old bottle of glue out. I guess supposed to probably want to line that up to where those two are. Can I bring in? They've got, you know, straight edges and round edges. I'm assuming we want to line up. It's not the easiest thing to do without something to be put in the middle, but oh, well, actually no, because it looks like the gear goes on top. So I might need it for something, but I'm going to spin it there and get my over here, clean this glue out, see if I can make sure I can try and get it. I think that's about right before I dropped it like that. I guess some of the glue came out the outside. Okay, let me get a piece of paper, put that on. And I'm not lined up now. And that actually does make it a little bit easier to see that it is lined up. Yeah. Okay, and then we just glue this one on top of this stack. I was going to do just a touch of glue on each. And hopefully that looks pretty good. That glue will dry clear, so that's okay. Okay. Now okay. And then we need two E2s, which are these guys. Let's see if I can assemble some of this stuff while that glue's drying. And looks like 4 C4s, which is, which one's C? You. Okay. Yeah, okay, there's C. Okay, C4 is going to be the black one for me. Yeah. Yeah, so there's these four. That through there is what I'm wanting. Okay. And I need A13, which is GTGT. Okay. I think that's this one. This big guy here. Oh. Oh. And B1. Which one is B? Okay, B is B the other. Yep, B. This is B1 here. And I think I'm gonna probably not do as much sanding as I usually do. Maybe if I see something particularly rough, I'll probably sand it. But I've got low expectations for this one, but I think still. Okay, so this. Okay, like that. Looks like this ought to go in here. Yeah, like so. Stands up there. Got two. And we need some of these pieces. Looks like two of the axles and two of the spacers right now. Okay, and there's, I'm guessing, okay, axle one. Wait a second, I've only got one of those. It says supposed to have two. No, wait a second. Okay, I got it backwards. Yeah, axle one is the longer one. Okay. Okay, so put that guy in there and that one in there. Let's see here. You go in this one. This one goes in this one. And we take two of these guys on each axle. Alright. And this piece I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with it. Okay, where's... Maybe that's where this axle goes? I'm not... It never says. Okay, let's see. No, axle 2 goes on this one. Oh, okay, this... Okay, I got it. This goes like in here. Maybe that's too far. And this goes through. Is there a hole? Yeah, there's a hole for that. Yeah. Okay. Well. Okay. Now after all that, I hope I put it on the right side. Yeah, okay. It doesn't really show. It doesn't show where the wires are going that way or that way in the diagram. Oh, I was supposed to do that first. Okay, hang on. Okay. Let's see if I can get... Oh, there is no picture of it. Okay, it looks like... I think the wires go to this way, because it looks like that's where the wire comes out there. So that's going to be my... No. That's over here, isn't it? Yeah, that's... So probably want the wires going that way. Yeah. Okay. So this goes... Oh, I think gotta build a little box goes around that. That's what I'm missing. The B5, B9, D10, and D9. Which one's which? D10 is the red. Need 9 and 10. So this guy and this guy. That's D9 and 10. Okay. And what is it? And B9 and B5, which is over here. And it's, yeah. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay. Okay, so that like that, this like this, and mush together. All right, and this guy. Like this. Okay. Okay, I decided that way, so that goes in there. And this goes on top like that. And does anything go in the bottom? Not yet, it doesn't appear. Okay. But then, no, wait a second. Oh, I got it. I've done it backwards after all that work. Well, it does hold it in with that notch on the top, so that's good. Yeah, because I think this notch here is where the wire is supposed to go. Okay. So, pop you back out. Spin you around. And there. There. Okay. And then this wire goes, yeah, that seems acceptable to me. Now we can get the axle back out here. And after all that, it may have ended up being in the right place. Okay, so it looks... Okay, I think I've got these... Even after all that, I think I end up doing them backwards. Okay, B5. This shouldn't be this difficult. B5 is the... Okay, B5 is the front. D9 is the side, D10, okay. Okay, that is okay, that is right. That's how the picture goes anyway. But let's see, did I grab the wrong? Let's see, okay, it's this one. Okay, yeah, that is... Okay, so that is B5. The gold one is B5. Yeah, and okay, so this does go to the front, I guess. Now, the axle goes in on this side. And just popped it out. Okay, stay in there. Now you go in. Let's see, it doesn't have any... Did I get the wrong one of these? What? A13. Okay, so A13. Let's see here. Make sure I'm on... Yeah. Okay, I've got A. That is A13. Like that. Oh, okay, I see what it is. I'm aiming for this one, and this is the one I need to aim for. Okay, that works better. So you go. Okay, yeah. It's a... Okay, that's something else. Oops, something popped in. Okay, I thought this might be a small part of the issue, so I'm gonna try and work on... Sand down where I painted it there. I think that might be enough to... I don't know if Okay. That's enough or not? Let's see. Okay, the sides are going in, the top is not. Is not fine. Okay, it wouldn't. Still not right. Come on. Okay, get old Sandy Sander out, see if you do any better. Okay, let's see. feels. Okay, I think it. Okay, plan B. It might be hitting. I think there's something physically stopping it from going in. It looks like maybe the motor. Yeah, I was saying the motor is. Yeah, the motor's out past the tab here. That's what the problem is. What's going on with that? Maybe it is supposed to be another way. Does that make a difference on the depth of it? Okay, yep, that's what it is. It won't. So it is the other way. Yeah, the motor is. Yep. That was the issue. The motor, it has to be orientated with the wire away from the notch. Okay, so maybe that notch isn't for the the wire to go through. Okay. And I've messed up my. Okay, I'll set you over there and let you dry a little bit more while I'm playing with this stuff. Okay, so you're in. And this is supposed to go in this one now. Okay. My dog spotted something. Okay, now back to square one. You there. You there. These guys on these. Okay. And this guy on the motor, is it lined? Oops. Okay. Okay, so that on. I have very low expectations for this now. Okay. Now this is where the glue is going to be an issue. Okay, so I'm on each one. I'm starting to see where this might result in problems. Because this glue is what's actually going to be holding the drive gear to the... Okay, I'll not comment on design. But that's just wrong in every sense of the word. The drive gear should be notched to hold the engine, or the motor rather. Okay. And those things fell out again. Ah, darn it. Okay, now these guys go on these. And that. Okay, so all these gears are tied together now, and let me not do that with wet glue in there. Okay, I'm going to give this 30 minutes to dry, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, it's been a few minutes, and the glue's had a chance to dry. It is spinning freely now, so let's stick this on and hope. Okay, so they do all line up properly, and all that was step one. Looks like I need, so on to step two. I hope this is I can get this done in one video. Need these two guys, the spacers, B6, B7, B6 and B7. Which one is B? I need to. A, so you're B, right? Yeah, B6 and 7, which are. Okay, so this is B6. And I guess hopefully I won't need for a little bit. And B7 is this one. Then two A9s, which are these guys. See, this is where I'll be running out of that other color of paint. It's gonna hurt. It would have been better if they'd all been able to make them all different colors, but looks like, yeah, that's all the pieces I need. So this guy goes on to the two axles. Whoop. And here through, and then through there. Okay. And we'll put, okay, these guys act as spacers. Good. Got notches on the ends down here for them to go into. If I can get them to line up properly, they will. I think. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Oh, these guys got a notch there to go. Okay, there it went. Whoop. What do I do? Now this one should be ready to go in. Okay. I think. Oh, my engine came out. Okay, that's not ideal. Where'd that come? Okay. Oh, okay. There's another. I didn't line up the. Let's see. Get a third. Okay, so that lined up now. Okay, so it's in its thing. So get this one to punch in. Okay, and it's. Darn it. And these things came out again. Okay, so you and this is a job for the handy dandies. Okay. As I'm sort of having a stream of consciousness thought thing here, I've made the executive decision that since yesterday was such a short video, that I'm going to go ahead and let this one be longer. Okay, now those, before they fall out again, I'm going to go ahead and put my spacers back on here to make sure they do stay in place. And then this piece goes on here. Down here. Okay. So it goes into. I think it goes into that notch there. Is the assumption I'm working on at this point. Okay, so notch you. Okay. Yep, that's what it is. It goes on each end, and then that notch does go in through that hole there. Okay. Now, I think should be fairly well stabilized. Feels like it's all. I hope it's. Nope, the glue broke free on the drive gear down there. Okay, so I'm just going to do this one by hand because I don't know if it's showing on there, but the back part is not turning here. That the two, just the gear is spinning, not these two spaces, which is sort of what I thought was going to happen anyway once I put any torque on it. At some point I may go back and fix that, but I sort of doubt it. I think these, the end result, I'm going to be able to do it from these to make it work, so that's what I'll end up doing. Okay, but that is the end of step 2. Okay. Now we need C1. Which one is there? UC. That would be good if you're RC, because that would be. Let's see, that looks like that might be the right one. Yeah, this one here. Got a couple pieces on there. Yeah, that's our. You're like that, and these guys. And I still don't know where this wire is supposed to. I guess the wire is just supposed to go in here. And these. Can line up a boucoulage of holes here. Okay, so you're there, you're there. Okay. Okay. Getting slowly in place. I think this might be where the paint is starting to have adverse effects on the fit. Something just broke. It sounded like. I'm not sure what though. Okay, you in there. You in there. Okay, over here, these are not lined up. That's what's our motor cover. Okay. There it went. That popped in there. Okay. Yeah, the trick on this is just make sure everything is lined up, and it does seem like they do pop in with a fair amount of pressure, but still without a tremendous amount of trouble. This one's not quite all the way down, but I was the one that made that very bad crack sound when I was pushing it. Okay. All in all, pretty but nice. There's that. And like I say, there's that. I'm betting that motor is supposed to be with the wire coming this way now. That gap looks too much like it should be there. But anyway, too late now, and like I say, it's not driving anything anyway at this point. Okay. And that was step 3. And now looks like trying to find which piece it needs. 2 B8s. I don't forget which one is B now. Okay, 2 B8s, which is these guys. 2 of them there. Rake them. There we go. And C12 and A7. C12. Let's get back over here to try and find what C12 is. 12 is this one. Okay. And A7 is this one. Okay, so this is apparently another glue one. Let's see, I will hit these. Okay. And there's, yeah, the lines still show up here. You see where the lines are. You're supposed to line up the glue with that. Glue these on here. And so I'll go ahead and do a little gluing. Not too much glue on the end there. Let's spread you out a little bit more. Okay, so there. And let's see if I can get a straight edge over there, so just force it up against it. And then back this way. Keep moving it around. Okay, use less glue on this side maybe. Yeah. Okay. Maybe. Okay. And I'll let that, see, is there anything else I can do while I'm, okay, I can put this piece goes in these two, those two notches, like so, like that. Okay, that. The gold and the black here is going to look pretty good, I think. So it's worked out nice to get some variety on the colors. But before, the next step is to install that over there. So I'm going to let that dry for another 20 or 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. Whoops. Okay. Now that's, I think, dry enough. I don't think it's totally dry, but I think that'll get us where we need to go. Okay, and that goes, that tab goes in there, and then this one goes in here, the way it looks. And hoping it just sort of forces itself in here. I can line them up. Okay, not move that way. Okay, now I think we should, yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah. Okay. Now, that completes step, was it 4? And something I should have thought of last time, but I will this time because I'm going to have to stop again. I'm going to do all my gluing. That means here, here, here. Whoop, sorry, not showing y'all, am I? Just 3 more places to glue. It's the tracks, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and stop progress now, do my gluing, take another break, and come back and finish it all up in one final step. But so that's what we're going to be doing in the next few minutes. So, like I said, that was step 4 up here. Right away we need 5. We need D2, D3, and B3 for gluing. So, I done forgot. Okay, what are you? You are a B. B? what, B? Which one are you? I can't keep them straight. Okay, this is D. So what did I forgot what I said. D2, D3, and B3. Okay, so I do need one over here. Which one do I need over here? B3. There's no. D1. Okay. D2, D3, and D1 from here. So that's these 3 pieces here. Yeah. So this ramp's going to be all red. Okay, and this one. Okay. I'm not too disturbed by the issues with the assembly and the instructions in this one. This is more of just basically I was just intending this to be a proof of concept for the glue. I got some schmutz underneath my fingernail there again. Alright, so that's really what I wanted to do with this little experiment. I wasn't really, I knew this wasn't going to be a great marble run, but I sort of wanted to see how the glue would affect the assembly process and how tight it'd make it. Of course, it depends on the quality of the piece. So this is going to go over here, and this one will go over here. Okay, so learn my lesson from last time, trying to do the glue a little bit lighter. And failed miserably the first part, but let's see. Okay, and then... Okay, so you on here, and you on here. Try to line the holes up there. That looks good. Everybody in place. You here, and tuck you in. Okay. So try and set that one over there where maybe I won't knock it off and mess it up. Now I need A6, A3, and A1. And actually, this looks like a ton of gluing on this one. Okay. Yeah, it is. Okay. So I'm going to pick this up here and set it aside. Because like I say, it looks like I've got... I just thought it was the one piece where it said glue. It's all of these need several pieces of gluing on it. So, okay. This is going to be a long video. But anyway, so... You're A, right. So, A3... Looks like 4 of those, which should be... see, this is where the flipping and flopping back and forth is going to be irritating. Okay, so that's these guys. That's A3. They're all going to get their own track. So then should be 4 A1s as well, which I think is going to be these guys. Yes. So yep. These guys. And there. Move you a little bit over, get everybody on. Okay. Then A6, which is I think, yeah, these little angles. And there and there, yep. Three and four. Okay, so I was gonna each get one of those as well. And A6, A3, and A1. Okay. So I did make 4 of these. This one just goes on the end of that stack. Yeah. Okay. So glue here and here. And I'm just going to tap it in the corner here and drop you in there. And well, straight edge, straight edge. No, that one. Yeah, this is not a 6-and-up model. Okay. Second. Okay. Okay. And set you aside. Do the next one. A little bit more on this one, maybe. And you aside. Okay. Making a little more progress now. And then here. Oops. Okay. Okay, and that one's done. And I just almost dropped it and messed things up. Okay. Try again. Okay. Then, so that's those 4. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need A5, A10, and A4. Okay, so what are you looking? I think it's, looks like it's this one. A5. No, that's A10. Then A5 and 4 are these two right here. Okay. You go. Here. There. Okay. That one's done. Then need D7, D11, and C11. Which one is D? It's the black one D. I done forgot again. Or was it red D? Red was D, wasn't it? Yeah, red was D. Okay, so D7 and D11, which is this one and this one. And then C and B. No, C was the black one. Yeah, C was black. I didn't forget C7, was it? No, C11. Which is, okay, this one down in the corner here. And how does these go together? Okay, so the wraparound on this one. Way too much. Let's spin it out. Yeah, the black is exceedingly tacky. My fingerprints may be showing up on it by now. This seems that when I really have to push down to line things up, it gets really tacky. You can feel it's not, I mean, it's dry, but it's not. Oh yeah, this goes down a little bit further. And, nope. Okay, man, you. That looks like it'll be. See, I'm sticking to my finger there. Let's see, how's that? I think that's okay. And just knocked it out. Yeah, this would be a model for a 6-year-old whose parents want to build a model. This is this is beyond a 6-year-old's capabilities. It's almost beyond an almost 50-year-old's capabilities. Okay, so that's all the glue in for step 6. And I did 5, that's 6. Oh, no, there's more gluing down at the bottom for step 6. Just one more piece of gluing, then we'll be able to stop. And I may call it a day and stretch this into 2 days. I think I will once I get, because this has been a really long video already. Once I finish this last bit of gluing down here, I'm going to call it a day, and we will we'll do the assembly on 6, 7, and it's only 3 steps left to actually build 6, 7. There, 6, 7, and 8. And like I say, it looks like 8 is hooking up the battery, so I'm, with the stripped out gear, that won't matter. So I'll probably even forego that. Okay, but now for, like I say, just this last bit of gluing down here at the bottom. D6 and D5. D was the red. D6, D5, and D4. There shouldn't be. Yeah, there's only 4 pieces left, so easy to figure those out. Yeah, I didn't foresee this much gluing. Oh, it's not coming up. There it goes. On this project, so that's my fault. I didn't look at the instructions really close. I just saw that there were just, a page of it, so I didn't think it'd be this complicated of a build. And it's not that it's complicated, it's just tedious getting the gluing part done. Okay, so this corner, you on here, you kick over there. Okay. Alright. So that's the last of our gluing done. I'm gonna call that a day, and we'll do another quick video tomorrow on the last little bit of assembly. Hopefully a quick video. And we can see how this thing turns out with all the different colors and go from there. See if it's something I might want to pursue in the future. But right now, tentatively, the metallic paints are looking good. But though, like I say, we'll continue this discussion tomorrow. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay safe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.